Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a super exciting topic to dive into the Kapwing AI tutorial. Kapwing is an awesome online platform that offers a variety of tools for video editing and content creation. And recently, they introduced their AI-powered features, which take things to a whole new level. So, let's jump right in and learn how to use Kapwing AI. First things first. Head over to the Kapwing website and create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard where you can access all of their amazing tools. Now, let's explore the AI capabilities and how they can enhance your videos. One of the most impressive features of Kapwing AI is its ability to automatically generate subtitles for your videos. We all know how important subtitles are, especially for accessibility and reaching a wider audience. With Kapwing AI, it's super easy. Simply select the video you want to add subtitles to, and click on the Subtitles option. Kapwing's AI will then work its magic and generate accurate subtitles based on the audio in your video. You can customize the style, position, and formatting of the subtitles to match your branding or personal preference. It's a great way to make your videos more engaging and inclusive. Now, let's move on to another cool feature: automated video editing. With Kapwing AI, you can transform your raw footage into a professionally edited video with just a few clicks. This is perfect for creators who are short on time or those who want to experiment with different editing styles. To use the automated video editing feature, simply select the video you want to edit and click on the Auto Edit option. Kapwing AI will analyze your video, identify the key moments, and create a dynamic edit that highlights the best parts. It's like having your own personal video editor in your pocket. Of course, you might want to have more control over the editing process, so Kapwing also offers a manual editing mode. Once the automated edit is generated, you can easily tweak it to your liking by trimming clips, adding transitions, or adjusting the overall pacing. This flexibility allows you to create a video that truly reflects your creative vision. Now, let's talk about Kapwing's AI-powered background removal feature. Have you ever wanted to remove the background from your videos without the need for complex editing software? Well, Kapwing AI can make it happen. Whether you want to replace the background with a different image or create a transparent overlay, this feature has got you covered. To use the background removal feature, select the video you want to edit and click on Background Removal. Kapwing AI will analyze the video and automatically remove the background, leaving you with a clean, isolated subject. You can then add a new background or keep it transparent for more advanced editing. Moving on, let's discuss another impressive AI capability: video to GIF conversion. GIFs are highly shareable and can add an extra layer of fun to your content. With Kapwing AI, creating GIFs from your videos is a breeze. Simply select the video you want to convert and click on Create a GIF. Kapwing AI will then analyze the video and generate a GIF file for you to download. You can customize the duration, size, and cropping of the GIF to fit your needs. It's a fantastic way to repurpose your video content and engage with your audience on social media platforms. Lastly, let's explore Kapwing's AI-powered video montage feature. If you have a collection of photos or videos that you want to compile into a captivating montage, Kapwing AI can simplify the process for you. Select the media files you want to include, choose a montage style, and let Kapwing AI do the rest. The AI algorithm will analyze your media files, identify the best moments, and create a well-paced montage. You can adjust the order, add text overlays, and even choose the background music to make it truly personalized. It's an incredible tool for creating sentimental or promotional videos that resonate with your audience. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to using Kapwing AI. This platform truly takes video editing and content creation to the next level. Whether you want to automatically generate subtitles, create dynamic edits, remove backgrounds, convert videos to GIFs, or make stunning montages, Kapwing AI has got your back. So, go ahead and give it a try. Get creative, experiment with the different AI-powered features, and take your videos to new heights. Don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments below. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy editing! Hey there! Welcome back to our tutorial on how to use Kapwing AI. In this second part, we'll dive deeper into the advanced features and functionalities of this amazing tool. So let's get started. One of the most powerful features of Kapwing AI is the ability to remove backgrounds from images and videos. This can come in really handy if you want to create stunning visuals or even make yourself appear like you're in a different location. To use this feature, simply upload your image or video into Kapwing AI, and then click on the Remove Background option. Kapwing AI will automatically analyze the content and remove the background for you. It's as simple as that. Now, let's talk about the text-to-speech feature. With Kapwing AI, you can easily convert your text into high-quality, natural-sounding speech. This is perfect if you want to add voiceovers or narration to your videos without actually recording your voice. To use this feature, select the Text-to-Speech option and type in the text you want to convert. You can then choose from a variety of different voices and adjust the speed and tone to suit your needs. Once you're happy with the settings, simply click on the Generate Audio button, and Kapwing AI will generate the speech for you. It's like having your own professional voice actor. Moving on, let's talk about the video stabilization feature. We all know how frustrating it can be when our videos turn out shaky and unstable. But with Kapwing AI, you can easily fix that. Simply upload your shaky video into the platform, select the Video Stabilization option, and let Kapwing AI do its magic. It will analyze the video and apply stabilization techniques to make your footage smooth and professional looking. So say goodbye to shaky videos and hello to smooth, cinematic shots. Another cool feature that sets Kapwing AI apart is the automatic subtitle generation. With just a few clicks, you can quickly generate subtitles for your videos. This is super useful for accessibility purposes or if you want to reach a wider audience. To use this feature, select the Automatic Subtitle Generation option and upload your video. Kapwing AI will then analyze the audio and generate accurate subtitles in real time. You can choose from different formatting styles, adjust the font size and color, and even customize the position of the subtitles on the screen. It's all about making your videos more engaging and accessible to everyone. Now, let's talk about the amazing collaboration features of Kapwing AI. With this tool, you can easily collaborate with others on your video projects in real time. You can invite team members, clients, or even friends to join your project and work on it together. Everyone can make edits, add text, images, or even voiceovers simultaneously. It's like having your own creative team, all working together seamlessly. The collaborative features of Kapwing AI make it a game changer for group projects or remote teams. No more back-and-forth emails or confusing version control. Everything is in one place, making the editing process smoother and more efficient. Last but not least, let's talk about the exporting options of Kapwing AI. After you've created your masterpiece, you can easily export it to various formats and platforms. Whether you want to download the video, share it directly to social media, or even embed it on your website, Kapwing AI has got you covered. You can choose from different aspect ratios, resolutions, and file formats to ensure your video looks its best, no matter where it's being viewed. Kapwing AI takes the hassle out of exporting your videos, making it super convenient for you to share your content with the world. So there you have it, a deeper dive into the advanced features of Kapwing AI. From background removal and text-to-speech, to video stabilization and collaborative editing, Kapwing AI truly takes video editing to the next level. It's intuitive, flexible, and user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners and professionals alike. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring Kapwing AI today and unleash your creativity like never before. Happy editing!
In the next part, we will also talk about how to make a video with AI and how to add free tags and a description to a YouTube video with vidIQ.